We are going to perform a hip hinge against the wall. I'm going to bring one leg up. So I'm going to be pushing through my foot against this back wall here. And then with this leg, I'm going to feel this in the glute in the hamstring. Again, I'm going to perform a hinge. So the movement's coming from my hips. It is not coming from my back. So I'm going to inhale on the way down, exhale on the way up. So the emphasis is really driving my butt back towards the wall. And we'll show this from a different angle as well.